What's up, home slice? Lucas here. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to use a resistance band to learn how to kip up quickly, really quickly, instantly. But you gotta focus.
Number 1, the 2-pole tosser. The exact same setup as the backwards bandit for the backflip hack. What you want to do is position the resistance band between 2 poles, make sure it's tied into place tightly. You're going to sit back onto it. Now the key with this setup is you want to get it low enough to where your upper back can touch the ground slightly, so you get the stability and you get the feeling for the initial launch of the kip up. Now you can do this with your hands on the band, or preferably your hands on the ground in the kip up position. This hack helps you progress into the feeling of doing a real kip up if you don't have the strength or coordination to do one without the band. When you take it away, kip up. Number 2, the 2-band bouncer. You want to find 2 poles, preferably an arm's length away from each other. Honestly, a swing set at a public park, as weird as it looks, is a hack flipper's paradise. You want to wrap the resistance bands around the poles so that they're snug in place. All you're going to do is use them to pull your upper body up as you kick your legs. If you need more resistance, you just reach up higher on the resistance band. Now, unlike a regular kip up, your hands won't be on the ground. So primarily this works on bringing your torso forward, which is a huge part, with a little assistance from the resistance. Oh wait, bonus, the 1-pole wanda. You can do the same one with only 1 pole. Just don't mess this up or they're going to be calling you wanda. Alright, this next one is interesting. I call this one band boy or band girl. What you want to do is you want to wrap the resistance band around your ankles, loop it around both ankles, making this little triangle. Then you want to bring another resistance band through the center, through the tip of the triangle, and over both shoulders. You want to keep the entire apparatus in front of your body so it pulls you into hip flexion. What this is going to do is this is going to help you bring your upper body forward after the initial kip up. That is a problem most people have when trying to learn the kip up, is bringing their upper body forward. This basically pulls you forward. It's a little tricky at first. You might need to adjust the band so you don't get any pinching. It does work, and it can help you if you're struggling with that final phase of the kip up on the ground, bringing that upper body forward. It'll train you like a dog. One more bonus little exercise here is just using 1 pole, like 1-pole wanda, and doing, I guess, air sit-ups. This will help you in tune your body to bringing your torso forward, which is necessary for doing the kip up. That being said, use these progressions at your own risk. None of them are pretty dangerous. Just don't choke yourself by accident.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it helps you all out. These resistance bands right here, they're UPowerX resistance bands. I got them on Amazon. I'll leave a link to them in the description. Hope you guys are enjoying this like little resistance band hack series. Thanks so much for watching. I have more coming out, so don't forget to subscribe. Peace, you all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.